Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to create lower thirds animation in Canva. So with that being said guys, let's get started with today's video. So first of all, you just have to go to canva.com, and here you have to click on create a design, and now just click on custom size, and here just put in these pixels ratios, and then just click on create new design. And once you have done that, go to elements, write something like rectangle shape. You can get creative with it, but I'm just gonna use this method. So I can put it here, and for example I can write something like subscribe here, and I'm gonna just turn this design to red, and text is fine, or I can just make it white. And now you can just animate these, make it a proper lower third. And yeah, this is how you create lower thirds in Canva. It's really simple, guys. If you found this video to be helpful, then consider subscribing. With that being said, guys, I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.